So the best way to refresh a bathroom, if we are on the budget, is to clean it. Most of us have very cluttered bathroom. We are in a hurry. We don't care. We throw things around, and then it becomes the feeling of old, overwhelming, and I don't want to be here anymore, right? Countertops are usually the very first place where you can declutter and make it feel like it's brand new, right? Remember, half of this counter was covered, so it is brand new. You never used it, right? On the other end, we declutter it all, it's all put away. The next thing we need to do is paint the walls. Trim and walls will give you that smell of fresh, and it will also refresh the room, and it will now look like we did something, right? Beyond that, it all depends what's the intent. Again, if you are to sell, I won't do more than that. If you are going to refresh it on a budget to stay, then a potential countertop change may do you good. I don't know at that point if your shower has tile or not. Maybe cleaning the grout, and there is professionals that you can call and they can steam and clean the grout, will do you good. And in that way, you feel like it's new, it smells fresh, and you're okay with that. But start with decluttering. Start removing everything. It will do you lots of good before you spend the dime. It is your time, but there is no money spent.